I have compiled my secret to having a great talk in a very simple way. Just follow the rules and nobody can stop you from connecting with your audience. And by now you know that's what effective communication is. So to have a successful talk, it should be, first thing, the first S. It should be simple so that everyone can understand it. बहुत भारी भारी वर्ड्स एंड स्टेटमेंट्स आपने डाला लेकिन सबको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. That talk cannot be successful. U, unexpected. U stands for unexpected. There should be something hidden for someone and everyone. Some surprise element. Something which your audience discovers through your talk. Put that in. C. Your C stands for concrete. Whatever idea or thought that you are presenting in front of your audience, it should be loud and clear. There shouldn't be any ambiguity in it. They should be able to understand it very easily. Next C is for credibility. You should be the right person to talk on the given topic. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपकी credibility कहीं और है और आप बात कुछ और कर रहे हैं. That will break the trust of your audience. Then is E. E stands for emotions. There should be some emotional connection between you and your audience through the talk, and that works wonders. Then in the word success comes S. S stands for stories. Use experiences from your life, your surroundings to relate to the topic. And the last S stands for strategy. Use frameworks, evoke creativity within yourself to have a solid strategy to make your talk impactful. And those points are bound to make your talk really memorable. Again, I'll repeat. S stands for simple. U stands for unexpected. C stands for concrete. The next C of success stands for credibility. Then comes the emotions. And the last two S's stands for stories and the strategy. I vouch for it. Your talk has to be very impressive.